Hello everyone, this is a video demo for my arcade game. I'm gonna run through the code in the project just a bit. So I imported arcade and I declared some constants here, which are basically, like the sprites are basically the graphics for the game. So the maps that you're gonna use on the player character. So I declared their sizes over here. I declared the forces that the physics engine is going to use. So the jump force, the movement, left and right force, and I did all that. And I created a player class here to load the image for the player facing left, facing right. Declared the center of the player for, collisions and such. This part here is the game window where you declare a lot of the objects that are in the game, like the player list for all the player animations, the walls, the bullets, and the items. Loaded the sound here, and I loaded a camera and defined it so that it will follow the player while the character navigates through the map. Now in the setup function, this is where bulk of the game logic is defined. So you basically create lists of images here that you're going to load or that's going to keep looping through as the game progresses. You're going to declare coordinates as to where things should be, where the player should be, setting and resetting positions, so on and so forth. And I used the PyMUG physics engine. It gives the player character a realistic feel movement. For instance, when the player jumps, they can't really move left or right after they jumped, and so on and so forth. And I defined the key presses here as well. So I'm gonna run the game and see. Okay, so it brings us here. So as usual, we can see player input, and then when I jump, yeah, you can see that. So it goes on, and I'm going to reduce my. Yeah. So I think we can just play the game to the end. I haven't worked on interacting with the coins yet. Right. That is the end of the game. So I'm going to put in more code for collecting coins and putting the score on the screen.